Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish your website on Google Sites in 2026. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Here in the search bar, you need to search for sites.google.com. When you are here, it is going to show you all of the sites on which you have worked or the sites that you have created previously. So you just have to select that particular website which you want to publish. After selecting the website, its preview will be opened in front of you. So over here, before publishing, if you want to edit any of the sections on top of your Google Sites, you can definitely go ahead and do so. By using these options in the right hand section, you can insert any text, images, drive, and you can even make changes into the content blocks and groups. You can add table of contents and you can add or subtract anything. Now, once your website is completely ready and you are ready to publish it, you just have to press this publish button on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, it is going to ask you to provide your web address. So here you just have to provide the web address, and then you just have to click on the option of publish in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, as soon as you publish your website, it will show that your website has been published successfully, and if you want to view it, simply click on the option of view, and now your website is going to look something like this. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.